know, when I think of Star Lake, I think of blanket, warm temperatures, music under the stars. And really today, you could almost throw a blanket down today and look up and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful weather.
50 degrees. I said, who would have thunk it would feel so warm out there? Ray, what do you have in store for the rest of the week?
Well, we still have some warm temperatures. Just know that if you do put a blanket out, it'll probably blow back over you because it is pretty gusty. And these temperatures are still very, very warm. Mind you, we're at 6:20 at night, and we're still looking at February temperatures in the mid to upper 50s in many cases, with the exception of the outlying areas, Indiana, Du Bois, Somerset, and Oakland still in the 40s. But this warm setup is actually leading to some potential problems, especially north of Pittsburgh with the melting. They had more snow than we've had in the city, and that is still melting up that way. So that is filling the ground with water. The ground's not going to be able to hold on to much more, and then we're going to see a front coming through here late tomorrow, and that is going to bring us potentially an inch of rainfall, and that could lead to some flooding concerns. That's why we have spots in Beaver County. We're talking all of Beaver County, Lawrence County, Butler County, Clarion County, Jefferson, Forest, Venango, and Mercer counties under a flood watch. This goes into effect tomorrow at 10 a.m. and stays in effect until 7 a.m. Friday. Now, when it comes to the rain, that's going to be heavy. When it comes to thunderstorms, while we could get some rumbles of thunder, the best shots for severe weather are going to be well to our southwest. So that's not our biggest concern here. It's more the flooding and the heavy rain part of this, especially for areas north of Pittsburgh. So again, it's the snow melt. The warm temperatures helping to aid with that melting. We're going to get some rain in excess of an inch in some cases coming into play through the day tomorrow and into early Friday. Now, there is a big drop in temperatures, and I know we've been talking about that all week long as well. This could create an isolated slick spot or two, but that's not the main concern here and not why we have the first alert weather days for tomorrow and for Thursday or for Friday. It's because of the flooding potential. So tonight into early tomorrow, we're looking fairly quiet. Once we get to late morning, that's where the rain turns on. The rain sticks with us through the afternoon. Watch that heavy rain near Cleveland and Akron. That moves through, and you can see how it's lined out with some very hefty precipitation. That's the cold front coming through. And once you get that heavy dose of rain late tomorrow evening, we're going to start seeing that change over to a mix and then to just some scattered snow. And this shouldn't accumulate, so little to no accumulation is expected snowfall-wise, but a good dose of accumulation when it comes to the liquid or the rainfall. Some spots almost an inch and a half before all is said and done. Tonight's not the concern. We're looking at 48 degrees. Come tomorrow, the rain turns on. This is where our alert day begins. We have our flood watch that starts at 10 a.m. and sticks with us through the rest of the day and right into 7 a.m. on Friday. And that's because we're going to be looking at the rain at times. Some of this rain is going to be heavy, but you can also plan on some very warm temperatures as well. So at least we'll keep that going, even though that is helping to bring some of the melting up to the north. Now into Friday, some early snow showers, maybe a few flakes on Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're talking 50s again with a few more chances of rain early next week.